Sometimes peace isn't found in a new place. It's hiding right where you are, beneath the clutter, beneath the noise, beneath the endless wanting. The Amish have known this secret for generations. They live quietly, gently, with just enough. Their homes breathe calm, their minds stay light, and maybe, just maybe, that's the kind of peace we're all searching for. Today, inside this story, we'll walk through 10 simple Amish hacks. Not just to clean your house, but to cleanse your heart too. So take a deep breath, slow down a little. You're home now. Welcome to Rustic Pantry. 1. The Amish way of less, finding calm in simplicity. It starts with quiet, real quiet, the kind you don't notice until everything else stops. The Amish live inside that silence. No flashing screens, no endless noise, just space, just breath. Their homes look almost empty to us, but to them, they are full of purpose, full of peace. That's the first secret. Own less, feel more. We stuff our lives with too many things, too many clothes, too many gadgets, even too many thoughts. They slow us down. The Amish strip that all away, not because they hate comfort, but because they love peace. Every item they own earns its right to be there. That's how they live with calm hearts and uncluttered minds. Maybe we could too. 2. Declutter by duty. Keep only what serves a purpose. There's beauty in function. The Amish don't decorate with things that don't work. They believe beauty hides inside usefulness. A chair that's sturdy, a pot that lasts, a table that carries generations of meals. Every item holds weight, not dust. That's the second hack. Keep only what truly serves. Walk through your home and pick something up. Ask it, what do you do for me? If the answer is nothing, let it go. The Amish don't chase newness. They fix, they reuse, they respect. A cracked bowl can still hold soup. A faded blanket still gives warmth. You don't need perfect things. You need honest ones. Because when things serve you, they stop owning you. 3. One room at a time. Slow cleaning for a clear mind. We rush too much. Always running. Always starting, but never finishing. The Amish don't do that. They clean one room. Slowly. Fully. No rush. No half-done mess. That's the third hack. Go slow, go deep. When you clean, focus on one small space. Don't multitask. Don't jump ahead. You'll start noticing things. A stain on the wall. A book you forgot. A memory hiding in the corner. Amish homes breathe because each part is cared for. It's not about being spotless. It's about respect. A home treated gently stays alive. The same way your mind does when you give it full attention. 4. Natural spaces, natural calm. Walk into an Amish home and you feel it. The smell of wood, the soft linen, the plain light. No plastic shine, no fake glimmer. Everything real. That's the 4th secret. Choose natural over artificial. The Amish trust raw materials. They last longer. They feel warmer. A wooden chair over a plastic one. Cotton curtains instead of polyester. Simple, strong, honest. Nature soothes the mind. It doesn't scream. It hums softly. When you fill your home with natural things, the noise fades. You start breathing easier because deep down, we all come from Earth. And the closer we live to it, the calmer we become. 5. The quiet corner. A place for stillness. Every Amish house has a corner. Sometimes it's by the window, sometimes by the stove. Simple, peaceful, a place to sit and think. Maybe pray, maybe just breathe. That's hack 5, build your quiet corner. You don't need fancy decor, just a chair, maybe a candle, maybe a book. That space becomes a pause in your day. The Amish treat silence like a friend. They visit it often. They let their thoughts wander there. We forget to do that. We fill every silence with sound, every pause with screens. But peace hides in stillness. Make that space yours. And soon, you'll start craving that quiet more than any noise. 6. Handmade over machine-made, the touch of meaning. Machines make things fast, but hands make them real. The Amish know that well. Every stitch, every carve, every nail, they do it with purpose. That's hack 6. Make things with your hands. You don't have to build a barn. Start small. Bake bread. Paint something. Fix something broken. The act changes you. It connects you to your space. The Amish believe when you make something, a part of your soul lives in it. That's why their homes feel alive. Every corner tells a story. Every mark means effort. When you make, you slow down. And when you slow down, peace finds you. 7. Wardrobe wisdom. The art of wearing less. Plain clothes. Calm colors. Simple cuts. Amish fashion never changes. But maybe that's the point. They don't dress to impress. They dress to exist. That's the 7th hack. Simplify your wardrobe. Empty your closet. Keep what feels good, what fits your life, not what fits a trend. Too many clothes confuse the mind. The Amish were the same styles for years. No stress, no waste. It's quiet confidence. You can have that too. When you stop chasing new looks, you start discovering your real self. And that self is easier to live with. 8. Cleaning as meditation, touching peace. The Amish clean every day, not because they're obsessed, but because they find rhythm in it. The broom moves, the cloth wipes, the mind stills. That's hack 8. Turn chores into peace. Cleaning doesn't have to be punishment. It can be prayer. When you wash dishes, think of gratitude. When you fold clothes, think of care. Their cleaning isn't about dirt. It's about harmony. They don't live in spotless houses. They live in cared for ones. There's a difference. When you touch your home with calm hands, it becomes an extension of you. 9. Living without distraction, the Amish focus. No phones, no television, no constant buzzing, just work, talk, nature. The Amish live without distraction. That's the 9th hack. Disconnect to reconnect. Turn off your screens, even for an hour. Walk outside. Feel real air. Notice sounds. The world won't end. Your mind will start healing. The Amish don't reject technology out of stubbornness. They do it out of wisdom. They know the cost of noise. They know attention is sacred. You can have that clarity too. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. 10. Gratitude over greed. The final lesson. The last hack isn't about things. It's about heart. Gratitude. The Amish wake up thankful. For light, for breath, for bread. They don't crave more. They notice enough. That's where peace begins. We chase bigger homes, better stuff, but the Amish find joy in what already is. Try it tonight. List 3 things that made your day better. Small ones. Warm tea, soft bed, quiet rain. You'll feel something shift inside. Less wanting, more living. Gratitude is the real minimalism. It clears the heart faster than decluttering ever could. And that's the Amish secret the world keeps missing. Peace was never about having less. It was about seeing more. Maybe the Amish were never trying to be minimalists. Maybe they were just trying to live right. They chose silence instead of sound, purpose instead of pressure, meaning instead of mess. And somewhere in between, they found peace. Real peace. The kind that stays even when the world moves fast. You don't have to live like them. You don't have to give everything away. Just start small. Clear one corner. Say one thank you. Fix one thing instead of buying 2. Slowly, you'll feel it. The quiet comfort of enough. Because peace was never about perfect homes. It was always about simple hearts. This was Rustic Pantry, reminding you to live softly, live simply, and always live with grace.